My name is Stephanie Michael-Bretzis from Brock Solutions. I'm the MES practice leader here at Brock, and I'm here to introduce you to Brock's MES Executive Point of View program. When it comes to MES, business leaders have a lot of questions, and these are questions we hear every week. What are the real benefits of a manufacturing execution system? What does a real return on investment look like with this type of solution? Probably the number one question we get asked is, didn't I already buy this when I implemented ERP? What's the difference between MES and something like SAP? We often hear questions like, what are MES best practices when it comes to implementations? Customers have heard horror stories when it comes to MES implementations, and they want to understand what are some best practices around delivering these services effectively. How do we do an MES project right so that it's successful and it's bringing the business value that we expected? Brock Solutions heard this call to action, and as a result, we're delivering what we call our MES Executive Point of View program. And we're delivering that across industries and really independent of any technology. Brock has been providing this service to industry for over 20 years, and we bring a methodology and a consulting approach that's really designed to map MES in business terms. In a nutshell, the Executive Point of View program is designed to demystify MES for business leaders. It's not a technical exercise or a detailed exercise, but it's really designed to explain in practical business context what MES is and what impact it can bring to your business's bottom line. The process is consultative in nature. The first step in delivering the Executive Point of View program is to interview a company's leadership team. Those interviews can be conducted in groups or individually, depending on the customer's requirements and availability. But essentially in those interviews, they're designed to really start to understand the business strategy, understand the challenges that the leadership faces, and the initiatives that are currently underway. At the end of that process, our consultants are able to start to link how MES can be used as an enabler for the business. Based on the information gathered in the interviews, the team starts to pull together a high-level set of requirements, an education plan, and an implementation approach for how MES might apply to the business. Typically, the efforts all culminate in a workshop with the leadership to share the findings and the conclusions and to recommend a path forward. At the end of this process, we start to answer the question, how do I get started along my MES journey? The whole process is usually completed in 3 to 4 weeks. At the end, business leaders have a clear understanding of what MES is and what it isn't. They can start to see the potential benefits of MES, and in practical business terms, understand what it's going to mean for their business. There's a sense of clarity on what goes where when it comes to ERP, MES, automation, how all of these components fit together, and how to draw the line. Finally, they start to understand how other manufacturers are using MES and the benefits that they're seeing. Here's some feedback of customers that have gone through this process with Brock Solutions and the value that they got out of the engagement. For more information on Brock's Executive Point of View program, you can contact me at my email address seen here.